Hey there, guys. How's it going? And what we're going to be talking about today is the ReliOn 60-second thermometer. Well, thermometer, thermometer, wherever you may come from. You, potato, that kind of thing. Yeah. Well, okay. If you have any kind of children in your house, or just anybody really, but especially if you have children, you need to have a thermometer, and preferably a digital one, because kids get sick and have issues like that. You need to have something that's going to take their temperature. We've had so many issues with fevers and stuff at my house. It's just a drag. This brand of a thermometer is my favorite. Okay, I prefer the ones that you use this way with the tip, and you use this by putting it under your tongue. For small children who can't hold this under the tongue yet, you can use this under their underarm or inside their bottom. Yeah, but the ones that you just scan the forehead real fast, and or on their temple, and it's really quick. I've tried those, and I just don't find them to be very accurate, just in my experience. Maybe I wasn't using them as correctly as I was supposed to be or anything, but just for me, these always seem to work out best for me. They're easy to use. They tell you the temperature in Fahrenheit. What would be normal is 98.6 degrees would be normal. Anything above that, slight fever to full-blown fever. Yeah, this works very well. All you do is you click this button here, you hear a small beep, and then you get your temperature, and then when it says low like that, that's when you stick it in their mouth or wherever, and then it starts. And it'll click up, and then when it's done, it will beep again. It will beep, and if it beeps like really slow, like beep, 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 like that, that means you're, without even looking at it, when it beeps like that, you're in a range of, if you have a fever at all, it would be very, very low. But if it's over, say, like 101 or something like that, it will beep fast, like beep, 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 like that, So it's an indicator with an alert sound also, rather than just having to look at it. Because a lot of times you'll just put it in the person's mouth and you'll go do something else, while it's doing its thing. It lets you know when it's done, and before you even look at it, you can kind of tell what range it's going to be in, and I like that. If you're going to do this underneath, say, a child's armpit instead of in their mouth, I believe you're supposed to add a point. So if it says 98 degrees or 99 degrees, you would calculate that to be 100 degrees instead of 99, because of the whole underarm thing. It's a little different, so yeah, but works best under the tongue. That's how I use it for myself, and I was very happy when my child got old enough for me to put it under his tongue. But these work really well. I've had this one in particular for probably about maybe three and a half years now, and it's still working very well. I mean, how often do you use these, right? You'll probably use it maybe 4 or 5 times a year, put it away. So, but it's real easy to do, very easy to control, and it works very well. I like this one a lot. I've used several different kinds of thermometers, and really partial to this brand, and this, technology. The quick ones that do it in just a second. Yeah. All right. Well, I hope you guys use this information. This is the ReliOn 60-second thermometer, okay, or thermometer. Depends on where you're from. All right, guys, I will talk to you again soon. All right, bye-bye.